Hello guys, welcome to today's session. My name is Nanapra. Today we're going to talk about something really interesting. We're going to talk about a smart money reversal part 1. I don't want to waste any of your time. Let's get straight into it. I'm just going to show you a few tricks about finding quick reversals in the market with the use of our daily range. Now I have another part of it, but this is just the first part. The part 1 of the smart money reversal technique, involving the principle of spring and upthrust. So we are going to make use of the principle of spring and upthrust in this session here. I want you guys to pay very good attention because this is a very good nugget I would like to share with you guys. So pay good attention and then grab the best you can from it. Yeah. So now let's get straight into it. Now this part deals with the principle of spring and upthrust. Now let's explain what principle of spring and upthrust is. So let's explain what spring and upthrust is before we get into the use of it in smart money reversal. Now anytime a daily high, if this is our daily range, so we have our daily high and our daily low here. So anytime we have our daily range like this and the next day's candle thrusting through our daily high, what has just happened is what we call upthrust. You could use it for monthly highs or weekly highs, but if I prefer looking at upthrust from the daily highs perspective. The same way, if we have our daily range and the next day's candle dumps through the lows of our daily high, of our daily low, of our daily range here, then we have what is termed as spring. So it's as simple as that. That's the basic explanation of what spring and upthrust is. So we have spring here and we have price thrusting to our highs of our daily range. Then we have what is termed as the upthrust. Right. So once we have been able to establish what spring and upthrust is using our daily range, like I said, you can look at it from the perspective of the monthly view or of the weekly view, but I prefer making use of the daily range. Now let's go into what the smart money reversal relation has with this. Now anytime a daily high, okay, let me just make use of this one here. So anytime a daily high is broken through like this, now 9 out of 10 times price comes back into structure. So price breaks the structure of the daily high. 9 out of 10 times price comes back into structure. It could be a pullback for price to continue going higher. But rest assured, 9 out of 10 times you get price pulling back into structure after daily high has been taken out. Now, vice versa for when a daily low is broken by the next day's candle. 9 out of 10 times you see price action pulling back into the daily range. If it is not a complete change of a trend, it could be a deep pullback back into the daily range. And even if price wants to continue down, there should be a good pullback into the daily range again before price continues. Now, how do we factor this into our trading? So once we've established the meaning of spring and uptrust, and we know that 9 out of 10 times when there's uptrust, price pulls back into our daily range structure before doing what it wants to do. It could be going going back to the uptrend or continuing the trend. It could be a complete reversal. But we are rest assured that we are always going to get, or almost all the time going to get, a good reaction back into, or a good pullback back into our daily highs, our daily range, if price goes above our daily highs or comes below our daily lows. Now, how do we make good use of it? Now, what happens is that anytime price breaks our daily highs, in this instance we have here, we look for discounts, we look for premium sensitive areas, or what some people say premium PDRs. So we look for premium sensitive areas above the highs of the daily range. Now these are zones where price could give the best reaction back into the daily range. So we are looking for areas around here where price could go and give the best reaction into back into the daily range. Okay, so these areas are premium sensitive areas. Same way, if we have price thrusting through the lows of our daily range, we again look at discount sensitive areas. Now these are areas where price could give the best reaction before pulling back into structure. Now with this knowledge, you could always get your daily uh, price delivery. If you are monitoring your daily price delivery, you could always get price making quick upthrust and springs, and you could always find sensitive areas below and above these daily ranges, and you could always pick up sweet trades, sweet daily trades. Yeah, that's what I mean. You could always pick up sweet daily trades. It's not something so difficult. I just want to show you a few examples of what I mean and how simple this is. Okay, let's go into the market. This is Euro USD daily chart. There are a few places are marked up, so I'm going to make use of it. Okay, to make the video as short as possible. All right, now I mark this zone here. Now we could see this candle here was our daily candle. So I marked out the high and the low of that candle. So that forms our daily range. This is our daily range from the high to the low. Now going scaling down to 1 hour time frame, you can see that. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so this was our daily range in 1 hour time frame. Scale down from our daily time frame to 1 hour. So this is our daily high. This is our daily low. Okay, we are saying that for principle of spring and uptrust, anytime a daily low is taking out, in this instance here, price comes to sensitive areas below, discount areas below the lows of the daily range. In this instance, you could see price coming in into this bullish over here, bullish HOB actually is an HOB actually, and giving a good reaction. In this instance, we got a complete reversal, not just a pullback. Excuse me. This instance, you could see price making a complete reversal, flying into the sky from there. Now let's go back to our daily time frame and see if we can find a few more instances using our spring and uptrust concept. Okay, so This is another instance we here that I marked out. So looking at this candle here, this was our daily candle. Now let's quickly mark our daily highs and lows. So we have our daily high here. Okay. Then we have our daily lows coming in here. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame again. I love using 1 hour time frames a lot. But it doesn't mean you should always be looking at 1 hour time frame. It depends on which type of trader you are, basically, and what time frame you are comfortable with. I just find things more conducive in 1 hour time frames. But nonetheless, it depends on you and the type of trader you are, basically. Okay. So if you're marking out our daily range, you're looking at here as our daily high, our daily high. They're looking at here as our daily low. So you could see price now taking out our daily high here. Took out our daily high. Now let's look at the sensitive areas in 1 hour time frame. Price could have gone to. Okay. So this is the first sensitive area I would have looked at. I would have picked out an entry here. And the next sensitive area would have been this fair value gap here. And as you can see, price reacted beautifully to the fair value gap and came back into structure, just like I said. So our daily range was noted here. Price took out our daily high. So now we looked out for sensitive or premium sensitive areas. Okay, above our daily highs. Now this is one area, and the fair value gap here was another area. Even if I was picking out this first sensitive area here, depending on how much I was going to risk, I would have probably still gotten a winning trade. Risking as little as 20 pips, I would have still gotten a winning trade. But of course, there was this fair value gap too here, and you could see price reaction to that. You could always target price coming back into structure because most often than not, when you have price taking out our daily high or low and moving into a premium or discount sensitive area, price pulls back into the daily range. So you could always make out targets back within the range, back within our daily range. I mean, yeah. So let's go and see if we can find a few more examples of smart money reversal, principle of spring and upthrust. Now let's find a few more examples here, and then we can. Okay, I marked out these zones here too. Okay, so let me just remove this one. So we have another daily candle. We have a daily candle here. This daily candle here. Now we can see price. So let's mark our daily ranges first. So we have our daily high here. Then we have our daily low here. Nicely. So let's go to 1 hour time frame again. Okay, so we scale it down to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is our 1 hour time frame. Good. Now in this trade we had it both ways actually. So this was our daily range. We have our daily high here and our daily low here. So next day's candle took out our daily high beautifully. And you could see price came to our magic candle as a sensitive area. If I was taking this trade, I was obviously going to look at our magic candle here as my most preferred sensitive area for this trade. So next day's candle took out our daily high. So the best premium sensitive area I will look out for here was my WEM candle here. You could see price reacting to it nicely and coming back into structure. Yeah. So there are a million examples I could show you. I don't want to make this video long. So I will end here. Thanks for watching. This is Smart Money Reversal, the principle of spring and uptrust. Hope you guys have learned something. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Like, share this video, and then you get notified anytime we drop a video like that. Thank you once more. I'll see you guys later.